Hello guys, so this is just my fix or several bug fixes of my Kenmure Pike Fly, which I tied in a video called, I believe, Ancient Pike Fly 2. And this happened because I found a better picture of the Kenmure Pike and the fly. It's this picture, and I found a bigger resolution, so I've been able to read the text along the fly. And the text says, as you can see, the fly which caught the Kenmure Pike, 3.5 inches long, which is 8.9 centimeters. So I made it quite smaller than the one before. It's 8.9 centimeters, black and red body, which I made from silk, Peacock hackles, and I also make a rib on the body with a uni-French tinsel, peacock and white turkey wings, wild drake horns. Well, I really wasn't sure what they mean with this, so I skipped that. And the Macaw tail from a parrot, I substitute this with the blue goose shoulder feathers. Dress it on a catgut, wrap it in a copper wires. So I didn't make this. I will fish in this fly or try this for pike. I used the Addendum hook, light predator as before, but in this case size 2. These are great hooks, and this is the fly. The fly coming from a picture from 1897. W. Macaw, Scott living in a Walsall, I believe. And you can go to the American Museum of Fly Fishing, amff.org, and you can find the really large article about the Kenmure Pike, and that's where I found the better picture with all the dressing description of the fly. So I made the another one. However, I like this, of course. I like the colors and the eyes, but this is more like to match the fly from the picture. However, the picture is coming from 1897, while Kenmure Pike is about 1774, I believe. On the American Museum of Fly Fishing, you can read the whole story about the skull, how the skull was in Scotland, I believe, or somewhere near Galloway still, after World War II, but then finally disappeared, and it no longer exists probably. You can read this interesting story down there, and this is my try to recreate the fly. It was probably on the double hook, while on the drawing on a picture is a single hook, the salmon single hook. So that's it. That's all. Just a second try with more information for Kenmure Pike. That's it. I will now shoot the last video about the ancient pike fly, and I'll be finished with this, and we'll publish the article. So yeah, bye. That's it. Bye.